the Paris Court of Appeal ruled on Monday Agathe Kanziga's request for dismissal as inadmissible, according to AFP. She is suspected of being involved in the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda and has been under investigation in France for 13 years. We speak to Richard Gisagara, a lawyer based in Paris, France, about his reaction to this ruling and future expectations.
The ruling of today was rendered by the Court of Appeal of Paris after the appeal which was made by Madame Habyarimana. It's following the decision which was taken last November by the judge who put her under investigation for genocide. You know, she's under investigation for genocide since 13 years old, Then last year, she filed a request to the judge asking that the proceedings be stopped. The law allows her, after a certain period of time, each person who is under investigation may ask to the judge to stop the investigation because when you assume that everything has been done. So that's what she tried last year. But in November last year, the judge dismissed her request. So she made an appeal, and the decision of today is the decision which was taken on her appeal. The Court of Appeal has declared her appeal inadmissible. So it means that now the case is going back to the judge who has been doing investigation to continue the investigation and then to decide if he thinks that he has enough proof to decide to send her to court for being judged or not.
And given that it has taken this long, given that it has taken a couple of years, what's next, or what follow-up will be given this case, and in what time frame should we expect?
Yeah, unfortunately, the case of Madame Habyarimana is not specific to her. It's not. It's like all the other dossiers we have here in relation with genocide committed against Tutsi. Unfortunately, all of them has been. The justices have taken so much time for all the dossier, in particular for her, but it unfortunately is the case for all the dossier. You know that so far only 2 dossiers have been went until the end, with 3 people only who have been condemned in the last 27 years. So now the case is going, the investigation is going to continue in her case. I have a reasonable hope now that maybe in coming days we will have a decision which is going to be taken. Since, as you remember, President Macron have announced last time that he's going to give enough minutes to the justice so that we can speed up with all these cases. So now I have a reasonable hope that maybe a decision is going to be taken. But we have to keep in mind that the decision we are expecting is only a decision about the investigation. So we are not talking, so far we are not talking about the trial. When the decision on investigation is going to be taken, if they decide that the investigation are enough, we have enough proof, now we're going to judge her, then we will have to wait also to have the date for the trial. So in my opinion, I don't think that we will, that should be judged if there is a trial. I don't think that this trial will take place this year or next year. I think we still have to wait. There is still time to go, unfortunately.
Absolutely. Richard Gisagara, thank you so much for your insights this evening.
You are welcome. Thank you to have me.
Good evening.